Although the pandemic disrupted many aspects of our lives, CSU believes an international education is as important as ever. Because of increasing vaccination rates and our understanding of COVID-19, we anticipate that more and more countries will be able to host CSU students. In fact, during summer 2021, CSU supported 6 faculty-led programs and sent nearly 100 students abroad. During this gradual return to international travel, we understand that a lot of questions remain for you as a student or for the student you care about. We created this video to talk about some of the most common questions we've received. CSU requires a COVID-19 vaccination or a medical exemption for fall 2021. Students will need to receive one or file a medical exemption before they will be able to go abroad. Getting vaccinated helps to reduce the risk of sickness for you as a student and the communities you will interact with abroad. Proof of vaccination is already making it easier to travel and enter certain countries with less restrictions. In time, countries or universities abroad may also require it. Each country has responded to the pandemic differently. Some are making great progress towards vaccinating their population, while others still have a way to go. You should research countries of interest to understand their vaccination progress and any ongoing restrictions. Both the Education Abroad team and partner organizations can help with questions and resources. Unfortunately, some countries may have travel restrictions for some time. No matter the destination, we advise that you assess your risk tolerance while planning travel in these uncertain times. While we want you to have an education abroad experience, we need to stay flexible in this evolving situation. CSU, our faculty leaders, and our international partners have spent the last year working to reduce the known risks of studying abroad during the pandemic. This includes updating our emergency response plans, adapting program itineraries to fit on-site regulations while still maintaining learning objectives, and identifying testing sites and isolation procedures, among other adjustments. Even with all that work, some of the responsibility is in the hands of you, the students. It's important that you feel well prepared and act as thoughtful and informed ambassadors abroad. During advising sessions, we share resources and will ask you to research your destination, be aware of all entry and exit requirements, know your emergency support network, and continue to follow the health and safety recommendations for each destination. We also try to set realistic expectations, especially as many countries may still be more restrictive than in the US. All this information is detailed throughout the pre-departure process, and there is additional training when you arrive on site. CSU Education Abroad works closely with the International Travel Oversight Committee, chaired by CSU's International Risk Manager, to respond to and communicate these challenges. All this being said, not all risks are controllable, and country-specific changes, such as mobility restrictions or testing requirements, may change at any time. It is important that we all remain informed, flexible, and continue to investigate and respond to these ongoing changes together. We recognize that this may not be the same study abroad experience as you would receive in previous years. However, many of the personal skills students learn during study abroad, including adaptability, self-efficacy, and cultural awareness, can still be achieved by going overseas. We encourage you to speak to your Education Abroad coordinator about what to expect and how to prepare for your specific location. Education abroad can still be a culturally immersive and transformative experience, even in these unusual times. CSU has been supporting students on closely vetted international programs throughout 2021. Our partners overseas have hosted hundreds of students from the US. Together, we have learned a lot about navigating international travel during the pandemic, and we welcome your questions. But don't take it from us. We've interviewed several RAMs abroad about their experience, and we'll post them on our YouTube channel soon. You're welcome to contact us at any time.